How to log in OmeTV without Facebook. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can log in on OmeTV without ever the need of Facebook. So first step is to go to your OmeTV website and you will be directed onto this page that have the option to continue with Facebook or continue with VK. So click on continue with VK. After you click on it, there will be options for you to log in. You just have to enter the code for the number that you are going to use to log into your OmeTV and you will be all set. If you have an existing BK account, you can just type in the email that is associated with the existing account or the phone number. But if you don't have an existing account, you can just click on create new account. Additional prompts will be there, such as typing the country code along with the complete phone number. Once you're done, just follow the prompts that is showing on your screen and complete the process of logging in. And there you have it. Your VK account has been created and it has been associated with OmeTV. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.